guys, my name is Devin. I've been lashing for a little bit over a year now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, hit the subscription button down below. In today's video, we're going to be discussing mixed or hybrid lashes. So a mixed or a hybrid set is 50% classic lashes and 50% volume fans. This way you're able to get the clients a lot more full with those volume fans since it covers a little more surface area, and you can do something wispy or many other different styles. So compared to a classic set, it is a little more full and dramatic than a mascara look. So you can get them more full, but if they don't want something too natural like classic or too dramatic like volume, it's a great in between, and you can switch the different curls and lengths, and you can definitely make a lot of different styles that suit your client and what they want. So you do want to keep in mind that since a mixed set still has 50% classic lashes in there, you do want to make sure still that your client has healthy, strong, natural lashes. And if not, then you would recommend a volume. But if they do have plenty of strong natural lashes, a mixed set is a good option for most clients. So many lash artists will take 50% of their time to do classics and then the other half of the appointment time to do volume fans, just to make sure that they're even 50-50. I usually recommend to do the classic lashes first, just so you don't get carried away with the fans and make them too full and then they look like a volume set. So since you are doing 50% fans, you can decide to do narrow fans or wide fans, or maybe a mix of both. If you do a mix of both, it'll give that wispy look. And even what you can do is make the classic lashes a little bit longer than the fans, and that'll make it give the illusion of spikes or any type of wisp. And you can do different curls. There's just a lot of different things you can do to give that different style for each individual client. So diameter-wise, for the classic lashes, you're going to use 0.15 or 0.18, depending on how dark your clients want to get or the strength of their natural lash. And then for the fans, you're going to use 0.07 or 0.05 diameter lashes to make those fans. So it just depends on what you want to do, if your client wants to get darker or more natural. And you do want to make sure that since you are using 0.07 and 0.05, you want to stay from 2 to 10 extensions per fan so that you aren't mistakenly making a mega fan, because then that'll cause the fan to be a little bit too heavy for the natural lash. So since a mixed set is 50% classic and 50% volume fans, it is a great option for those who don't want something too natural or too dark. It's a perfect in between. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that it brought a ton of value to you. If you're interested in becoming a certified lash artist, you can go to LivBayLashClass.com and sign up for a class near you. If you have any questions regarding a mixed or a hybrid set, leave your questions down below and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you for watching.